A delegation from the All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association (AKMTTA) submitted an open letter to Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on the 19th of September 2024. This followed a meeting of the association on the 18th of September. Members expressed their frustration, noting that their demands have not been addressed yet, nor have they been invited for discussions regarding the ongoing challenges faced by tourist taxi drivers. In a statement to the press, AKMTTA President Rikaldi Dolling emphasized that the association has given the state government a one-week deadline to initiate discussions on the issues outlined in their open letter.
Kini ka open letter ka bang ong mo lai email jingalang pemenang maki nilaong siya bandi kemondi nai na kalian juga ascan hi AKMTTA ringkat ka isinting ke bang shom ninjan ni nila shim ni karai ban wan bu no tasi chiti yolen terbai nila pori ka saka na ka khot mo na kalian ka office jong PS nila receive kini chiti ke bang nila receive ni don tangi yang man sepitip maki nadau si am khot ini te nagalang jungi hi kwa pe ba nadau kimut ban khot na si am khot man kan banyak kan apa ni ka opening letter hi kwa pe ba kini ki lam ba khot ki badan ha ki jela jungi badan district badan jela jungi hi kwa bang indon ringkat ki nim chung kwa ban ne roi nin ba ka IKMTTA hi kwa hi ban don ringkat badau si am khot ban yakren ni alo ka open letter